Hello interwebs, it is me, Rhino, and I have got another mini vlog for you. Today was just full of motorcycle stuffs. We started out by installing a bunch of new parts onto Hades. I got a RLS stealth exhaust system, which I'm super happy with. I got the Canam solo driver comfort seat, which is also amazing. And I got a new back tire, which was desperately needed, and yeah, my old tire was pretty worn out. I want to do separate videos for all three of these things, but overall I'm very happy with how everything turned out, even though the install for the tire particularly was a trial. We overcame and got everything put together. After installing everything, we decided to go on a little bit of a ride down 6880 so that way we could go to the Hot Rods game. I am a huge baseball fan, and the Bowling Green Hot Rods are my favorite baseball team. I love minor league baseball. I think the minors try so much harder than the major leagues, and it just makes the games way more entertaining, and just it's fun going to root for the local team. It was their opening day, and it was great. As soon as we got there, we were some of the first 1,000 fans to get in, so we got replica championship rings. The Hot Rods are back-to-back champions for their division, and they wanted to celebrate that by giving rings to the fans, and we got some, and I will now be wearing mine to all the games. But the game went really well. In the beginning, I was a little worried. Our first pitcher let a lot of people walk, but they made up for it, and we ended up winning opening day. All in all, it was a great day. Had a lot of fun, even though it started out frustrating. But hey, any day you get to ride motorcycles and then go watch a baseball game is a good day. That's all I got for you guys this time. Do me a favor, be safe, have fun, and go chase the horizon.